God is saying to you today, nothing is wasted in my economy. The years that felt like loss, I am going to restore them. Not just repair, not just patch. Restore. What the enemy stole, I will return with interest. This is one of the most remarkable promises in the entire Bible, and it is addressed to people who had experienced genuine, devastating loss. Locusts were not a metaphor in Joel's day. They were a catastrophe. A locust swarm could consume an entire harvest in hours. Years of work, years of planting and tending and hoping, wiped out in a single day. Joel is speaking to a people who had watched everything they labored for be stripped away. And God says, I will restore. I will repay the years. Notice that God does not say he will explain why it happened. He does not promise a detailed theological account of why the locusts came. He promises restoration. He promises that what was devoured will be returned. This is the God of redemption. He takes broken things and makes them whole. He takes wasted seasons and weaves them into something purposeful. He takes loss and turns it into testimony. You may have years in your story that felt like locust years. Years of addiction, of broken relationships, of wrong decisions, of grief that consumed everything around it. Years that feel like they cannot be recovered. Like they are simply gone, and you must find a way to live without what they took. God is speaking into those years today. He is saying, I am a restorer. What looked like total loss is not beyond my reach. The years the enemy stole are not beyond my power to redeem. This does not mean everything returns exactly as it was. Restoration in God's hands often looks different and sometimes greater than what was originally lost. Joseph's pit led to a palace. Ruth's grief led to redemption. Paul's imprisonment produced letters that have shaped the faith of billions. God wastes nothing. He restores everything. And the years the locusts have eaten are not the final word on your story. Type amen if you believe God is restoring what was lost in your life.